Hello everybody, Tyler here at the Moorpark City Library with another STEAM activity craft kit for you. This month we're going to be making boomerangs out of different colored popsicle sticks and larger craft sticks. So in your kit you're going to receive pictures that work as a blueprint on how to make two different designs here. You're going to get 9 of the larger craft sticks and 9 of the smaller popsicle sticks, as well as styrofoam cups that you can use to make a target and test the accuracy of your designs. So the challenge here is going to be to create a sturdy design that does not rely on any adhesive. It's all about proper angles and the proper force that each respective stick is exhibiting on the other one. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make this design first using the larger sticks so it's a little bit easier to see. So if you want to come around over here and take a look. So this one requires 5 sticks total, and it looks like it's the more complicated of the two, but it's actually the easier one to put together. So I'm going to leave this here as reference, and you'll see there's pictures of completed ones on your instructions just in case. So I'm going to take 2 sticks, meet them together at the top. I'm going to take a 3rd stick, put them underneath. Alright, I'm going to take my 4th stick and I'm going to weave it underneath the bottom one, but over the 2 top ones. And then I'm going to do the opposite with my 5th stick here. And this is where it gets a little bit tricky, because you want to hold everything up here at the top, but if you have small hands like myself, it can be a bit of a challenge. So I weave that in there and just kind of slide them into place. And there you go. Now, the little boomerang has a big brother. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make this one. Now this one looks simpler, but it's actually a little bit more difficult to put together. So let's try. So similar to the other one, I'm going to take my 2 sticks and meet them at the top. Take a 3rd one, and I'm going to make almost a triangle. Well, I guess it is a triangle in there, but you want to have a little bit of overlap there and a bit more underlap on that side. And then this is the tricky part. So I'm going to slide this under here, and then slide that under there. Similar weaving pattern to the other one. Now that last part is a bit tricky, especially if you, like I said, have small hands, so you might need somebody to hold it for you. Yeah, but then that's actually the fastest I've ever made one of these, so kudos to me. And then what you can do is take them outside, or if you have a large space somewhere, and see which one is sturdier, which one is more accurate. And then you could try different colors and try to come up with your own patterns and see if you can come up with a better design. And yeah, you get 2 of each. Enjoy.